How to sign out and back into the App Store. Here's how to do it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Next, tap Media and Purchases. Now, tap Sign Out. This will sign you out of the App Store and other media services, but it won't remove your Apple ID from your iPhone. To sign back in, tap Media and Purchases again. Then tap Continue to sign in with the same Apple ID, or tap Not Your Name if you want to use a different Apple ID. Enter your Apple ID email address and password, then follow any on-screen verification steps if prompted. Once you're signed in, open the App Store to confirm that your account has been updated and you're ready to download apps or make purchases. And that's it. You've successfully signed out and back into the App Store on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to videos.